Today, we're going to show you how to measure the base of your hair system. The base size is essentially the base length by width. You get the most accurate measurements by placing the hair system inside out on a mannequin head with the base on top, making sure there are no folds. Use soft measuring tape, measure the length. Start from the center of the front hairline to the back edge, laying it directly across the middle of the base, writing down how many inches it is. Now measure the width. Place the measuring tape at one side edge of the base, about ½ inch from where the temple would be. Stretch it over top of the base to the other side, about ½ inch from the other temple, and write down how many inches it is. Once completed, you can choose another hair system based off of these measurements, or you can confirm if the hair system will fit your scalp. If you need help picking out one of our stock pieces, just give us a call and tell us your size. Super Hairpieces also offers custom orders for our clients' convenience. If you're wanting to give measurements for the hair length as well, you can obtain those by putting the start of your measuring tape at the hair base and stretching it out to the tip of the strand. Another way to provide measurements to us is to send us template or use an old hair system. If you'd like to make a template, we have a tutorial for this as well. The link will be in the description. For more tutorials like this, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And as always, thanks for watching.